Alright, prettiest day of the week. I'll go ahead and see what I can get done. We'll catch a little bit of something today. Find out what happens. Yeah, not too shabby. I could tell by that wide mouth he had a little bit of weight to it. There we go. There's my sucker. No, that's a catfish, what it feels like.
Yeah?
On the head shake.
What the fuck do I gotta do?
Oh, there's a little channel cat.
Little guy?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's a little fella.
That's like what we get a lot of down by me.
That's the smallest one I've caught all the year.
Yeah. We get a whole bunch of those. Use chicken liver.
Oh, that's a good one. There he's at. Ain't that big old giant sucker. Glad you came along. It's getting pretty boring out here. £8, 1 ounce. I'm going. Nope. That's a shame. Felt like a good one. There we go.
Fuck out of my spot.
That's on the chub.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's good news. Oh, I got one too.
There must be a school traveling through.
I had one just, oh, on the chub. I had one just hit the crawler and then the chub went. Yeah, he's on it. He's there.
There we go. On the chub.
Big fish?
Nah, not real big.
Catfish?
Yeah. They ain't bad though. He got that chub hanging out of his mouth. Oh no!
What?
He just fell off right in front of me. Tell you what, it's pretty slow out here today. Ain't much of nothing going on. Catching one every few hours or something. Well, at least it didn't get skunked.